Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lawminds channel. This is Vanditha. Today we are going to discuss about estoppel under Indian Evidence Act. So first of all, what is the estoppel? When one person has by his declaration, act or omission intentionally caused or permitted another person to believe a thing to be true by his act, upon such belief neither he nor his representative shall be allowed in any suit or proceeding between himself and such person or his representative to deny the truth of that thing. What are the essential elements of estoppel in Indian Evidence Act? A person misrepresents by his act, omission, or declaration. Such misrepresentation is regarding the existence of any fact. Such misrepresentation is intentionally caused to make a person believe a thing. The other person believes such misrepresentation to be true. The other person does some act believing such misrepresentation. Such act causes injury to the other person, and such a person is unaware of the actual situation. So, what are the conditions for estoppel? The representation must be made by one person to another person. The representation made must be as to facts and not as to the law. The representation must be made as to an existing fact. The representation must be made in a manner which makes the other person believe that it is true. The person to whom the representation is being made must act upon that belief. The person to whom the representation would be made should suffer a loss by such representation. So there are four kinds of estoppels in Indian Evidence Act. They are by record, by deed, by conduct, and equitable estoppel. So firstly, let us see estoppel by record or quasi-record. It is created by the decision of any competent court. When any court decides finally over a subject, then it becomes conclusive and the parties, their representatives, executor, administrator, etc., become bound to that decision. They can neither bring another suit on the same subject nor can make the same subject disputed. They are stopped from doing so. It is like res judicata. Estoppel by deed. When any person becomes bound to another person on the basis of a record regarding a few facts, neither that person nor any person claiming through him shall be allowed to deny it. Estoppel by conduct. It is such estoppel which arises due to act, conduct, or misrepresentation by any party. When any person causes another person to believe by his words or conduct, encourages them to believe, another person acts upon that belief and causes a change in their situation, then the first person is stopped from denying the truthfulness of his statements made earlier. Actually, it is an estoppel of general nature. Equitable estoppel. Such estoppels which have not been provided by any statute are called equitable estoppel. The best example of equitable estoppels are there in sections 41 to 43 of the Transfer of Property Act